Okay, here we are again. So, what are you talking about? Blue stay together. Okay, I'm also blue, so I can stay together, right? Is that the Montana, which is, I think, a stock Montana? Look at this. So, in the enemy team, actually the strongest is the Hornet. But there are also the Montana and Missouri, which I think are both stock. So I'm definitely gonna push them, because I don't know if it's only the HP stock or even the armament, but the fact that the HP are stock makes me think about also the other things are stock. So I want to push them because yeah, it's logic to make more powerful even the HP instead of the other things in Battleship. So after saying this, let's fire some shots on this Montana. And yeah, she is not mounting even any flags, so we can definitely do some good damage on them. On her, I think. We are not gonna push that side because even if only the Missouri and the Montana are not a threat, there are 7 enemies, so if they are all together, they can easily erase me. But I'm a little bit confident because it seems that also our team is very strong, and oh, look at the damage. We are gonna kill this Royal Sovereign easily, and so let me take this kill and do it. We are on this range now. Let me show an aircraft to prevent this Hornet maybe. And after that I can even stop it and fire with my aft guns. And now I want to punish that Montana, which is board-sided, and I definitely want to do something on her. I'm actually stuck here, but it's not a problem because Montana doesn't seem that she can do a lot of me, and so in this position I can also fire on enemy battleships and ships in general coming from that side, like this Royal Sovereign or the Texas. Actually I fired some seconds after that. And so let's get out from here, and hoping, yeah, I have to show other aircraft because yeah, even though these ships are not very strong, I have to do something because if the Hornet comes to bomb me, it's a very hard problem. So I'm not gonna fire on the Fletcher, I'm gonna finish the Montana before, and now I'm firing on this poor board-sided Fletcher. This is going to be so much easy, but yeah, I think I could also one-shot him, but I don't really know. This is too much easy. I don't know if I am so strong, or yeah, if the Super Alsace is so strong, or the enemies are too weak for this ship. But Wow, this is impressive. I don't see anything with this island on my way, so let's fire some salvos from here. We might be able to kill her, I think. Also, that royal sovereign, we could kill her. They might actually be able to take the kill, but I also can do that, so I won't do that, and I'm taking definitely the kill. So the Missouri is coming out, and we should be able to take her out too. Oh, some torpedoes are coming, I didn't saw that. Come on, fire a last salvo on her and kill her, please. Okay, got her. And we actually have 6 kills. We might be able to make the 7 frags with another time with this Super Alsace, can I? Yeah, I can, but I don't know if I have enough time to do that, you know. My teammates can easily take the kill, but I really want it, so I want to do everything to make it, please. And I did it. Thank you. This is maybe actually the best game I made with the Super Alsace. So I'm really excited about this. 7 kills. I made it, I think, 4 times with the Yamato. Maybe, yeah, 1 time with the New Jersey and 1 other, I don't remember which other ship, but yeah, 2 times with the Bismarck a long time ago. But yeah, now I have also that with the Super Alsace, so I'm excited about that. I didn't even use secondaries this time, so nice. Alright.